The opposition on Tuesday launched a sharp attack on the BJP-led NDA government over the introduction of the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and a Jivika Mission Gramin Bill or VBGRAMG bill, calling it a direct assault on Mahatma Gandhi's legacy and an attempt to dismantle the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA, a lifeline for millions of rural workers. Soon after the bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, DMK MP TR Balu, RSP leader NK Premachandran and other opposition MPs staged a protest at the Mahatma Gandhi statue inside the Parliament complex. Holding portraits of the father of the nation and raising slogans such as Gandhi ji ka ye apman nahi sahega Hindustan, the leaders accused the Modi government of systematically erasing Gandhi's name and ideology from public institutions and welfare laws. The protesting MPs assembled near the Makardwar and marched to Prerna Sthal, alleging that the BJP's move to repeal MGNREGA was not a mere administrative change but a political decision aimed at stripping rural labourers of their legally guaranteed right to employment. Priyanka Gandhi accused the government of being obsessed with renaming schemes and destroying landmark legislations introduced by previous governments, particularly those associated with Mahatma Gandhi. She said repealing MGNREGA would deprive crores of workers of job security at a time of rising unemployment and rural distress, calling the move anti-poor and anti-worker. Opposition leaders maintained that the law had served as a safety net during economic crisis and natural disasters, and its removal reflected the government's disregard for the rural poor. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor also criticized the bill's bilingual naming, calling it a violation of Article 348 of the Constitution. He said the acronym GRAMG trivialized a serious welfare issue and mocked the government's attempt to force symbolism, remarking that it reminded him of a song warning against misusing sacred names for political purposes. While Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan claimed during the introduction of the bill that the government believes in and follows Mahatma Gandhi's principles, the opposition rejected the assertion outright, saying the actions of the government contradicted its words. The Congress announced nationwide protests on Wednesday, terming the VBG-RAMG bill a BJP-RSS conspiracy to weaken rights-based welfare, attack Mahatma Gandhi's legacy, undermine workers' rights, and dilute the centre's constitutional responsibility towards rural employment.